Check out this Instagram page. These fruit mold shaping videos are one of the newest trends on social media, and they are pulling in millions of views, with one video already surpassing 45 million. And the best part is, I am going to show you how to make them totally free. So let's start. First, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for fruit mold, click the one shown here and start the chat. Then click the Start button at the top to begin. And the GPT will then ask you 3 questions to generate the prompts. For this example, I'm just doing a copy-paste, so you can copy me. Okay, for gender, I'm choosing woman, for fruit, peach, and for shape, I'm using butterfly. Then hit generate. And once you press enter, it will generate 4 image prompts and 3 video prompts. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Create a new project and select Image Generation Mode. Now select the option Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt and hit send. After a few seconds, your image will be generated. Choose the one you like the most. And now, here's the important part. Use your first image as a reference image, just like I do, so you don't face any character inconsistency. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt and paste it into the prompt box and hit send. Wait a few seconds and your second image is also generated. Do this with all your remaining images, exactly what I did. After generating all your images, now we have to turn them into videos. You could create them individually one by one, but that takes 4 times the effort. So just copy the first video prompt, head back to Google Flow, click on your first image, click the 3 dots, choose the animate option, paste your prompt into the prompt box and hit send. It takes less than 1 minute and your video is ready. But that's step 1, because I'm using step 2, where you simply choose your first image as the start frame and the second as the end frame. Paste your video prompt and hit generate. Wait a few seconds and boom, your first video is generated and it looks way better than the first method. Now do the exact same thing with the second image as a start frame and the third or final image as the end frame. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it into the prompt box and hit generate. And after generation, your video is done with just 2 generations. And the reason you should go with step 2 is because it helps you save your video credits, which you can use for further trends. So that's it, and that's all for today's video. And if you want more AI niches, make sure to subscribe to AIX Centra, and I'll see you in the next video.